We're doing some detail work here with her airbrush. Perfect. If you guys want to give a shout out where you're from and where people can find you, feel free. This is Amanda. I know Amanda's from Myrtle Beach. She lived in LA though for 10 years. So, where can people find you if they want to book you for services?
By Amanda Studio.
Yay! Are you having a good time?
I'm having such a good time. I love it.
What are you doing right now?
We're starting over.
Starting over?
Sometimes you don't get it the first time. You gotta try again.
That's fine. All right. Well, thank you guys. Hi.
I'm Naomi. I'm Hair Art by Naomi on Instagram.
Yay. And hello. And you're based outside of Raleigh?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
I made my own little eyebrow stencil.
Look at you. You made your own eyebrow stencil.
Yeah.
You sure did, didn't you? Compromise.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So, well, thank you so much for coming. I hope you're having a great time. What are you getting ready to do now?
I think we're going to do eyeliner next.
Ooh, awesome. Well, I'll be walking around and help you.
Okay, thank you, Robbie.
Hello, lovelies. So you actually came the furthest. You're from Charleston, South Carolina. Beautiful city. What are we doing now?
I'm trying to get the eyes. Well, I'm doing the eyes.
Where can followers find you? On social media or a website?
On Facebook, Mariah Lachey Artistry, and on Instagram, Mariah Lachey.
Yay! Well, thank you for coming.
No problem. Thank you.
They're all set up. Look, this is, tons of product from sponsors. Thank you so much to Temptu, Twin Medics, Lippy Book, Krylon, Lucine Lashes. Hello.
Hi.
Now, I know you're an esthetician.
Yeah.
So we talked about this earlier because you have just beautiful skin.
Thank you. Thank you.
Are you having a great time in the class?
Yes, I love it. Extremely informational and very hands-on, very step-by-step, easy to follow. Definitely highly recommend the class.
Thank you. And this is your beautiful model.
Yes. The lovely who's responsible for my hair, and I'm responsible for her skin.
Hey!
Tag team the beauty industry. If you'd like to follow me, it's _beauty_by_Jenna_ on the end. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Hi. So you're waiting to do your model.
Yes, I do.
I know you're a hairstylist and makeup artist. You bounced from New York to Raleigh, North Carolina, doing editorial and bridal.
Yes.
So where can followers find you?
So, Jessica Vargas, you can find me on Instagram or any platform like Jessica Hair MUA.
Yay.
Jessica Hair.
I hope you've enjoyed the class.
Yes, I do. I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome. And of course, last but not least, Lily. We know who Lily the Gypsy is.
Yes, I am back and forth from North Carolina and LA. I am expanding my artistry into also photography. So I am going to be adding airbrush to my trade.
To your trade.
And I have a studio in LA, downtown, called Kuja Studios. And to shoot, if you guys need a place to come and shoot, we're available. Just reach out to me. And if you need to attend a class here in North Carolina, let me know. And maybe we can bring an educator that you also would like to see.
Yes.
And we can bring Robbie back also.
Aw, well, thank you so much.
You're very
and
welcome.
your model is stunning.
Isn't she?
Stunning.
She is here in Raleigh. She is with Gray Modeling Agency. You can reach out to Tracy if you would love to work with her. Obi is amazing. I'm just saying, she's amazing.
Thank you,
I discovered
Lily.
her.
You did?
Yeah, I connected her. Yes, I introduced. Yes, with Tracy actually. Yes. So I got her to get signed with Tracy.
Yay!
So yeah, now that I think about it.
Beautiful, beautiful. Well, Lily, thank you so much for hosting
You're very
our Glow
welcome.
Tour stop here. Guys, check out Lily. She's bi-coastal. She's in Raleigh, North Carolina. She has a studio in downtown. classes, photography if you need to rent space, etc., etc. All their goodies they got today. I'm going to give you a tip. When you're not actively using it, turn it off.
Okay, perfect.
It'll last you longer.
Okay, thank you.
As our glow tour. Now we're going to look at our model that we did just a little bit ago. So this is Lily's daughter. Come on over. This is Lily's daughter, and your name is?
My name is Yasmin Melendez, and I'm here in North Carolina. I do modeling, acting, and you can reach me at Love You First.
Yes.
That's Love You LUVYOU_1. So always love you first, and reach out to me.
Yay. I'm going to ask you, how does you were the model earlier, how does it feel on your skin?
It feels light, like if I don't even have it. I'm not a makeup person, but today I wanted to come in. I wanted to test out Airbrush. I wanted to see how it works. I want to understand it a little bit more, and I love it.
Do you think
it's soft? It's light. I feel like it's not even there, but at the same time, it was quick. It was fast, easy.
Do you think brides will like this?
Oh, brides are gonna love this. Brides will love this, and you can have as many bridesmaids as you want. It's not gonna be a problem anymore with like, well, we can have like.
Because it's fast.
Yes, because it's so fast. It's awesome. I love it.
So I'm going to show them your look if you don't mind. If you could close your eye for me. Guys, look at this. This entire look, turn this way, honey, towards the light. I'm going to turn your body. This entire look is completely airbrushed, guys. The only traditional makeup on her face is a little bit of glitter on her lid. Her brows are airbrushed, her eyeshadow's airbrushed, her winged eyeliner's airbrushed, her correction, her foundation's airbrushed, her blush contour highlight is airbrushed, her shimmer highlight, her matte highlight airbrushed, her lips airbrushed. Beautiful.
Thank you.
All right.